In this video, I have a 1999 Toyota Camry, and I'm going to show you where the jack points are on it. You're going to need a floor jack, jack stands, and wheel chock. I'm on the driver's side right here, so go underneath the vehicle, beneath the driver's side door, and you're going to immediately see the subframe of the vehicle right here. So there is a reinforced section of the subframe that has 2 layers. Go ahead and put your floor jack right underneath that point right here. This is where we're going to be jacking the vehicle up. It's a pretty low profile car, so you got to make sure you have a low profile jack. Scissor jacks will work as well. Okay, now that I have the car lifted, you can see a couple of places I want to tell you not to lift on, and that's underneath here. There are some control arms. Make sure you don't lift on those. That is going to bend as the vehicle lifts. Those are sensitive spots. And then also you might have some wires or plastic pieces that you want to not lift on because the weight of the vehicle will crack it. So be cautious on what you select. I always recommend this subframe right here though. It's a nice sturdy part of the vehicle. Next step, I have my jack stand. I have positioned it on the subframe as well. I'm going to go ahead and back off of my jack just a little bit to get some weight on that jack stand. And then I'm going to lock it and prime it up a little bit more. I'm evenly distributing the weight of the vehicle on these 2 points so that I have redundancy. If you're jacking up the back, I want you to be cautious of right here. This is your gas tank. You don't want to punch a hole through that. It's not that strong. You do have your subframe bar right here, so you can elevate the vehicle off of the subframe right there. And then one more thing, I'm at the back bumper and I'm looking underneath. Other things to be cautious of is this is your muffler. This is just hollow and thin, so don't elevate a vehicle off of that. This is thin as well. This is where your spare tire goes. If you look on this crossbar right here, you can see this reinforced point. This is an excellent area to jack the vehicle up so that you can elevate both back tires off of the ground. So that's your jack point in the back. All right, now your vehicle's off the ground and you're ready to do your maintenance, whether you're doing oil change or working on brakes or anything else in that area. Hope you have a successful project. Make sure you're safe. Thanks for watching.